Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Product Reviews channel. If you're into DIY projects, woodworking, or just keeping your workspace clean, you know how essential a good shop vac is. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best shop vacs on the market right now. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's get started. Number 5. Shark MessMaster 1-gallon portable wet-dry vacuum. Shop vacs are handy for cleaning out dirty cars, and the Shark MessMaster is a top choice for this task. The portable design has a 1-gallon capacity, and its large handle makes it easy to move around your car as needed. It has a self-cleaning feature, and you can line the dust cup with any disposable plastic bag for mess-free disposal. This vacuum comes with several accessories for use in your car, including 3 extension wands, a crevice tool, a carpet tool, and a squeegee. The dust cup can also be cleaned in your dishwasher, making it easy to keep this vacuum in top shape. Number 4. Fein Turbo Roman 2X AC HEPA Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If you're willing to spend more for a heavy-duty shop vac, the Fein Turbo Roman 2 AC HEPA is a powerful professional-grade option with an impressive 151 CFM flow rate and 98.4 inches of water lift. Thanks to its built-in HEPA filter, it can handle virtually any type of wet or dry debris, and it can also be hooked up to other power tools and used as a dust collection system. The Fein Turbo Roman 2 is equipped with a large handle and rotating wheels that make it easy to maneuver. Unlike many shop vacs, it offers variable suction that you can adjust to suit the task at hand. It also comes with various useful attachments, including extension tubes and an elbow, a combination nozzle, a dusting brush, and a crevice tool, all of which can be stored on the back of the vacuum. Number 3. Dewalt 10-gallon wet-dry vacuum. If you're looking for a shop vac to clean up wet messes, this model from Dewalt has a large 10-gallon capacity and a handy floor tool that sucks up liquid quickly. It has a 5.5 peak horsepower motor, and there's a drain at the bottom of the vacuum that lets you empty out the liquid you've sucked up. This tool is mounted on rotating caster wheels for easy movement and has a 20-foot power cord and 7-foot hose, offering better reach than many other options. It also comes with several handy attachments, including 2 extension wands, a washable filter, a crevice tool, and more that can be stored in the accessory bag on the back of the vacuum. Number 2. Craftsman 2.5-gallon wet-dry vacuum. This portable Craftsman shop vac is much smaller and lighter than many other models for the occasional cleanup around the house. It weighs less than 7 pounds and has a large handle on top that makes it easy to carry around. Despite its smaller size, it still can hold up to 2.5 gallons of debris, and it's easy to operate thanks to its oversized on-off toggle switch. In addition to the 5-foot nozzle, it has a crevice tool and utility nozzle. The accessories can be stored right on the vacuum for easy access, and the brand also sells compatible filter bags, in case you're going to be cleaning up a lot of dust or other fine particles. Number 1. Rigid 12-gallon wet-dry shop vacuum. You can't go wrong with a rigid wet-dry shop vacuum for everyday use around your home. This 12-gallon model is designed to handle both wet and dry debris, and it has a wide 4-wheel base that prevents tipping as you work. The vacuum also has 5.0 peak horsepower and a higher CFM than many other options, allowing you to pick up even the heaviest debris in fewer passes. The ergonomic handle and built-in drain make it incredibly easy to use. And it comes with several useful tools, including a locking hose, 2 extension wands, a utility nozzle, a wet nozzle, and a car nozzle. Plus, the brand offers a lifetime warranty that protects against material or workmanship defects. And there you have it, the top 5 best shop vacs. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and where you can buy these amazing shop vacs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.